Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a very short one. I just wanted to play with this really quickly from scrapbook.com. So I'm using the A2 card Merry Christmas one. I'll have all these things linked down below. This is the order that I placed the other day, and I wanted to go ahead and bust into it. I picked out 2 card stocks just to see how this cuts out and make a quick card. And I chose to use this one here with the, oh my god, my birds are just chattering. And then here goes the other page that I used. So I went ahead and I die cut that. I got a piece of tulle here. And I'm just going to put some wet glue. I'm going to put some wet glue here. You can use hot glue, whatever floats your boat. And I'm actually going to put some glue on these letters as well. I probably should do the letters first. But I don't want this popping off. Not popping off. Like, I don't want it to be sitting on top of the tool. I want it to be stuck to the glue, to the tool. Hopefully you guys get what I mean. Okay. So I picked this out in particular because I knew it was going to make a quick, nice card. So I'm using some of that fluffy mesh tool from Dollar Tree years ago. And I'm going to utilize my magnets. My magnet. I'm gonna try to press this down. And then I'll trim the edges. And you guys know I just bought a brand new roll of the foam tape. I was gonna cut this out 5 times and create a shaker card. But I'm like, I don't have to do that. I got my foam tape. And this looks like a really nice thick border to where I don't have to do that. Okay. So let me get that down really nicely. So hot glue is probably best just because this tool has these little pieces here that are raised. All right, I'll put more glue as I need it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess off with my scissors. See how pretty that is? Let me put some glue right here. Hold that down with my magnet. All right, while that's holding, let me go ahead and grab the other piece. So we got this here. This is gonna be my background. Let me grab my foam tape. All right, let's finish trimming this now. And then we're gonna put our foam tape. I went ahead and cut out another piece for my back. This is gonna make a cute mini album as well, guys, but I just wanna do a quick card. These cards are never really that quick, but you know what I mean. Just trying this set out. I'll have to clean that. Let's get our foam. I just bought a whole roll of this. Okay, this one's cool. This one usually, like, it comes off sticky, but it's got both sides. Oh, okay, because it's taking off the other one. That makes sense. All right. So let's go ahead and add our foam. Should have laid down a little glue up. Guys, put some wet glue down before you do this, because I'm worried it's gonna come up because of the tool. It has those little foam pieces, like these little dots. All right, I'm just gonna go all the way around. And one more. This is the perfect edge. You know how sometimes it's too thin or too thick? This is perfect. Okay. Now we can create our shaker. I'm going to put my sequins here. All right, so this is Candy Girl, I believe it's called. And this is from my friend Morgan. She has a shop. I'll try to remember to link it down below. Leave me a comment, guys, to remind me if I forget. This is a beautiful mix. That's more than enough, probably too much. And let's go ahead and take off the tape from here. And we're just gonna place that on there to create our shaker. So really, you can just have this ready and you can put it on a mini album. You can put it on a gift. You can use this for anything. It's a really nice size. It is the size for an, I think, an A2 card, is it? I should have spread it out. It'll spread out in a second. I didn't measure this back piece. I just kind of like, look at that. Perfect. Okay. Let me get this down really well. And then I must cut this. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that really quickly. But there goes your shaker element, guys. It's going to be so cute. On, like I said, a mini album or something. But I got a card base here, so we'll do a card. Oh, I think that's pretty good. Look at how pretty. So beautiful. I knew I was going to love this plate because it's simple. It's big and bold. And I knew I had to have it. Okay, here goes my card base. I'm gonna go ahead and glue that to there. Let's move this magnet. Let me top up my glue. Oh, why did I do that? I'm gonna use it right now. This is the other side of it. So pretty. Grab that paper pad, guys. This is the Nutcracker one. The other one that I got was Snow Days, I think. And it's so cute as well. I have it in my cart to get the other sizes that I don't have. Okay. Make sure you glue it down the right way. Ooh, make sure you glue these down really well. Okay. I'm gonna glue these little pieces. What I meant about it sticking out. Using this mesh was a little tricky, but it looks so beautiful. All right, and then I just wanted to add just a quick little bow or something. Really, you can die cut this out of two different colors and have the border one and do the words the opposite or a print. But again, I just wanted to see what this is gonna look like, guys. And I already knew it was gonna make a beautiful shaker card. Look at how pretty. All right, let's dress it up with a bow. I have a few of these extra cut out, but it's not really the right color right now. I have some satin ones ready to go. That's pretty, but it's not quite the right color. Maybe we'll have to go with it. Here's some of my ephemera. This is my pink Gingy set. That was too big, probably. I've got to cut some more of this, more of these out. Probably the tiny ones, small ones. That's so cute. Maybe like that there. Cute little Gingy house. I should have definitely cut this out of another color. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna embellish this in another time, but I just really wanted to jump on here and share with you guys how cute this cover plate is. Now, I did get this one as well. I just don't have the time to cut it at the moment, but I will be making another card using this one and using some more of that paper pad. But so far, guys, look at how cute this is. Definitely have to cut it out of another color. Do like a border of another color maybe. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this set, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.